Bitcoin is literally, as we speak, breaking out right now, and I don't think there's anything that's going to stop it. In fact, I just bought a $500,000 position on BTC because I think this is about to run to at least 80,000, maybe upwards of 100K. Let's take a look at the charts and see why I just bought. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Again, let's get a 10% like to follow ratio. I would really appreciate it. I think we're at like 7,000 subscribers already. So we need minimum 700 likes on this channel. I got 450,000 subs on my other channel that's got a lot of great podcast guests coming, so definitely check that out, youtube.com/Cameron Fous. But let's take a look at BTC. Get this little recording thing out of my screen. Right now, guys, we are breaking out above this bullish flag here at about 67,000. Current price is 68.9. Now, next target here is about 72.5, which is literally just retesting the all-time highs. And this is a bullish kryptonite flat top breakout pattern right here at about 72 now, or 72.7. Now, it could just come up to this level, pop up above it, and then trap everyone in, roll off the top, and just completely eat shit, and we create a bull trap, and that's the end of the game. Game over, folks. Now, that is a possible scenario that we have to potentially look into and be cautious of. But if we do break out above this level and sustain prices above that 72.8, 72.9 level, I think that's going to be the breakout trigger that is going to lead us to new all-time highs, potentially upwards of 100K and beyond. First initial target just for this breakout for me, short term, is going to be right around between 80 to 90,000. In between there, I'll lock in my gains there just for a quick trade, then maybe buy the dip if we do get the opportunity. But for me, I'm not looking for some monumental stratospheric breakout. Now, it could happen. I have a lot of other altcoin holds that are going to be a little bit more of a longer term hold if we do see that, but just for this singular Bitcoin trade, I'm just looking for that quick gain. Get me in, get me out, 500K position. I'm going to risk about 20,000 to make maybe 40 to 50,000 on this actual trade for a quick get in, get out trade. So I'm just looking for that big spike to the upside. So that is definitely a possible scenario. We also have to look at what's going on with stocks here, guys, because stocks did make a big reversal. It looks like NASDAQ was just dumping through here, potentially mitigating this breakout above the all-time high here, right? Came back down, shredded through that area, and then into the close back above it and back above degenerate trends. So US stocks are still remaining very, very strong after that big fake out. Faked everyone out. That was a liquidation event where a lot of people got stopped out, but smart money came in and bought that dip. As of right now, that's the chart. Things can completely change tomorrow. You never know. Now, if this low gets taken out here on NASDAQ, that's going to be not looking good for US stocks. We'll probably see it continue to roll over, potentially even come back down to about 16.9, retest these lows. But as long as that holds that new low, I think this is just a market structure low that will be solidified here, and we start trending up. And again, I'm looking for about 20,000 here on NASDAQ. And if we do get that bullish run up, that's going to be the move for us to break out above this level here at about 72.9 on Bitcoin, pump us up to 80,000 plus and beyond. Short-term target for me, again, is just get in and get out. Here at about from the current price here, which is going to trigger us to this level, and that is going to be the official breakout level there for a quick spring up to about 80 to 90,000, and I'll be locking in gains. I also have a lot of altcoins in play. If you're in my Discord group, you'll know all about those. I just locked in about $37,000 on Pixel, locked in a bunch of gains on some meme coins, about 20K. It was a little bit, I mistimed it because I posted that other previous video there about the other altcoins. I stopped out of all those. 2 for profit. AI Dodge, I lost like 19K, but I came out on top net 21,000 in total. And also Ondo, guys, the coin that I talked about in the previous video from a week ago, I said this is the one coin that if you want to buy one coin right now, this is the one that's going to pump 100 to 300% in the next week or so. I'm up how much on Ondo right now? Let's take a look. 131,000 locked in, or 131,000 unrealized. I've already locked in about 12.5. Now, if we start breaking down below that 130 level, okay, maybe I'll just get out of this, lock in, you know, $130,000 total profit. But I would like to see it pump up upwards near 170 to 225. That would be my ideal profit target on Ondo. But right now, absolutely crushing it. I have one more big coin that I think could be the next big one, and I'll make a video about that, and you will see it shortly. Anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe. We need at least 700 likes in this video. Let's keep this ball rolling. Let's keep it going and keep these gains pumping nice and juicy. Anyways, guys, that's a wrap for today. See you in the next one.